Let's learn how to start a new sequence. Think of this step as laying the groundwork for your project. To access sequence settings is like opening a menu where you can choose how you want your video to look and behave. You can find this menu by clicking on the File tab on the left corner of the Premiere Pro window and then click on Sequence from the options that appear. This opens the new sequence dialog box where you can customize your video settings like size and frame rate. So in this screen, the new sequence dialog box, you'll see various options to adjust your sequence settings. Begin by picking a preset that matches your video footage specs. Presets like broadcast, HD 1080p, or social offer handy starting points. For example, I usually go to HD 1080p 23.976 frames per second. Since I record my videos with my Panasonic Lumix G85 camera at 1080p 30 frames per second. You can check your camera settings too. It is important to remember that matching sequence settings to your footage ensures smooth editing and maintains video quality. If they don't match, you may encounter issues like playback, stuttering, or distortion, affecting the overall look and feel of your video. So, take the time to double check and adjust your sequence settings accordingly for the best results. And if you're not sure, it's usually best to stick with the presets provided, as they often work well for keeping your video quality high and compatible with different platforms. Once you choose the preset, select it, rename your sequence name, then click OK.